If you want to live the kind of life that you want, if you want to manifest the things that you want in life, you need to make sure that you have a strong connection to the universe. You need to be grounded in your life. You need to align with your life path. When we talk about the universe, we are talking about the love of God. We are talking about the light. We are talking about the source. Whatever you want to call it, as long as you have the strong connection, then you will be able to live the kind of life that you want and manifest the things that you need. We do look backwards when we're sorting out our ancestral problems, yes, but that doesn't mean that we have to remain there, because when the ancestors come into our lives, they come with the problems, and then there is like a dark cloud that surrounds us at that time, and hence we experience the problems. But once your ancestors are sorted out and the problems are sorted out, you then need to reconnect with the universe, with the source, so that you can be able to manifest and look forward to the kind of life that you want. You can never live your life in fear, looking backwards that something is going to go wrong. But once you reconnect with the universe, you then attain the kind of love that makes you feel safe.